everyone, welcome to the Post Market Analysis. Today is Monday, September 2nd, 2024. Right now it's kind of late, 11:23. So I would like to do something a little bit different today. So on a weekly basis, I kind of just want to kind of have a zoom out to look at where the market is from the yearly perspective. So right now is that the market pretty much is at the top. It pretty much kind of trying to make a new high. And on last week, we can see that Monday it opened higher. It's not a true gap up, but it opened higher and make a new high. But it's not sustainable. It come back to the middle here, and so this should be that one should be kind of it come back right around the middle here. And then Tuesday open lower, and as if we want to kind of slamming down, but it stopped at like a 55.93.92 ish, and then come back up. But on Wednesday it's going even higher, so it's almost like it make a higher high, but later it come back and pretty much it's kind of making the almost like making the symmetric move. It going back down lower, and it actually went down to this exact low as 8/22. And then from there only to see it come back again and almost kind of make a full swing to the upside, and then seeing it come back down here. So there are lots of things going on, and definitely lots of movements when we look at this kind of really choppy. And from the high to low, it's like about 90 points. It's not crazy. And kind of typically probably could move about 100 points, but if we look at from weekly basis, last week is about the same. It moved about the same amount as the week before. It actually moved a little bit less than the previous week. So it's kind of like a consolidating and kind of trying to pick a direction from here. And Friday move is really kind of like in some ways kind of bizarre. So it opened much higher, only to see it come back down, and actually make a new low, lower low than Thursday, but later it was able to come back and make higher high than Thursday. It also actually closed higher than the high of Thursday. So based on the closing, it almost kind of as if it's going to gap up on Monday. So not sure that's still in play or not. And as of right now, the market came back down. The future was down about 13 points, but that's I would say that's still within the range. And what I see is that if we say Monday, it could. If we say Monday, it's going to drop about 17 points. I think they even kind of drop up, even like a basically it's a, let me see, is about 16 17 points. So as long as it could drop kind of less than about 18 points, then likelihood of going higher is still a scenario in play to go higher. But if say it's going down for more than say 18 points or 20 points, then in my view is probably want to come back down to the middle again before it could go back up again. So next week there will be a non-farm payroll coming out, and definitely the probably not going to be, not likely still staying within this range. So it either position that kind of either going down below here or going above here. And this is on the upside, likely it's going to go to this 56.96. We can call it say 5700 level. So it's very likely it could play out that scenario. If anything bad, then yeah, it could go back down to this below this 5560 level. So that if that's the case, we are talking about this 5515 level or even lower. That's from like a kind of by zooming out and see how it possibly going to move. And I think I do not want to spend too much time here, and I want to kind of quickly review the market movement on Friday. So on Friday, the Thursday night after the market open, it seems like kind of really push into the downside, and later it went back down by about this is about like 20 like not 25, it should be about like a 12 point, and then later coming back and was able to go above this opening zone and come back to the middle again and basically chop in, and but was able to kind of stay above the middle, and later eventually it was able to move that 25 points, and after that continued to chop as we see here, and despite every effort coming back down, it tried to go higher. And for the open, it actually opened up by 20 points. In many senses, that's quite a lot. And after that, it continued kind of storm higher, and as if it's going to make the all-time high for the day. And the thing is that later it basically stopped at this 5632 level, and basically later coming back down and making new low, and this is like around 11 o'clock, and it as if kind of it finished that move, want to come back again, but that's not the case, and it's coming back down and continue going down, and it went to the go lower than Thursday, so as we talked earlier. But that's the time that it seems like the buyers come in basically it's pretty sustainable here, and here is trying to cross the middle, and later it was able to cross middle successfully, and then basically keep going higher. And this is a move that really pretty substantial. This at like a like a 315, and later it actually went above this 5650 level and almost kind of make a new high. I mean higher than the this level 5651.62. Later it came back down close at 5648, and which is still above the high of Thursday. So that's a pretty strong move. And right now the market looks pretty bearish, but it seems like it makes sense that market want to go higher, and probably I would say when it dropped down to about 16 or 17 level, then it seems that would be a good spot to try get the position to the upside. And as of right now, it is down by 12 points, and actually, if we look at it, 56.44, that's right around 16 points, 15, 16 points. Yeah, getting pretty close. So maybe somewhere near that 56.40 level could take a shot, take a position to the long side. If say it drop another 5 points, then probably just get out. Probably not going to play out. That's how I see it. And in terms of the calendar, I'm running out of time. It seems like the worldwide the inflation is dropping. So Monday, let's see, the first thing, Monday of course nothing. So Tuesday, the first thing is that A55 red book, 9:45 global manufacturing PMI data. So, and then 10 o'clock have that ISM PMI data, manufacturing employment, construction spending, new orders, and also pricing. And 10 after 10 is like economic optimism index. 11:30, that's as usual, that's a treasury bill auctions. And 1 o'clock continue have the bill auctions for 42 days and 52 week. Yeah, that's it. And then it seems like at night there is like a total vehicle sales data coming out as well. So yeah, today, tomorrow is likely going to move at least 35 points, but we shall see, and it could move a lot, but it could be choppy as well. However, it looks like it either going back to the middle or going to make a new high. Okay. Wish you all the best, and may the energy be with you all the time. Thank you.